It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sunken? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise out there, flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction, the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and similar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones of the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Good morning, YouTube. How we doing? Kimba gang always. Let's go. Let's go. YouTube, how we doing? How we doing? We're having a little update on the Twitch, and it is not switching yet. Kachoya! It's out of my hands. It's out of my hands. Yeah. Buzz Creed, let's go. Good morning, brother. How you doing? What's going on, Il Pasoto? Good morning. Thanks for coming over. Trying to resolve the Twitch Cachoya. They were doing some updates or something in the background with some overlays or something, and I don't know. But I'm trying to get them to tighten up. We got a show to do. How we doing? You juicing? Shoutouts Cage, thank you, brother. It should be good in a minute. But we're here. We're here. Good morning, Chris. Crispy! It's purple. Il Pasoto. Petrus. Buzzcree. Never mind. Let's go, Il Pasoto. Let's go, let's go, let's go. How we doing? Totally juicing. Let's go. Never mind. Dolcon. Let's go. Blago. I see you. How we doing? Shoutouts Buzz. Let's go. How we doing? How we doing? How's the weather over there? How's the weather up here? Here we go now. Monthly close imminent. Are we on garbage time, or are we ready to juice to the moon? It's looking good, holding strong above value. Failed auction, pushing up on these little highs right here. Yeah, we'll do some 15-second TA as soon as we get the real switch. So we can get a Irwin going. Let's see if YouTube's getting any music now. There we go. Oh, wait. Hey, shout outs to the team. Thank you. Let's go, Kimba Gang, always. I got triple sound here. Hey, good morning. Big cheers. Let's go, Cage. Let's go, Buzz. Let's go, Dev. Let's go, Housty. All right. Let's go. I'm not gonna play this whole thing, but we gotta do it.
It's Mandalo. It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Knowledge rules. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice. Nerd. Mandalo.
Kick it old school with the short one. We're good, Bugatti. What's going on? Happy Thursday, happy Thursday, happy Thursday, happy monthly close. Let's go. I think we're good on the sound. We good? MJ, Bergix, Mark, Hannah Montana, Kim Gang always, Buzz, never mind, we will miss Jerome, JP, Buzz, raining, all the weather, yeah, I can't make up its mind here either. It's like 90 one day and 50 the next. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Curvies, good morning. MJ, Bergix, Shazamon. Shout outs PSG. Shout outs Cage. Shout outs Houston. Shout outs Buzz. Shout outs Dev. Lou time. Are we going 100K? We're going 100K. Ready. Shout out to Ready. Oh shit. Kachoya, I got a baby camera in here.
Bitcoin rising 100K. We don't guess, not we don't stray. Kimber gang, the realest in the game. We called the longs months ago. Now them shorts just hedge the flow. Money stacking, we don't sleep. Kimber gang, pockets running deep. Bitcoin to 100K, racks on racks. Kimber moves steady, we don't look back.
Let's go, crypto manipulation trader. Dashboard, exclamation dashboard. Check the Discord, Kimba's Den. Curvies, Shalou, Petru, C. Puman, Skip Moha, Davivav. Hey, how was the meeting yesterday? That was good times, right?
Like kings, let the anthem bang.
Good times. Hey, shout out to Bud Fox for taking it home with the bingo. Juice. Juice.
Crypto climbing, making moves. Kimber gang, the truth is known. We the ones sitting on the throne. Bitcoin to 100K. Kimber gang running the play. 100 stacks, racks every day. Bitcoin rising, let it stay. Bitcoin to 100K.
Shout out to Bud Fox, Dennis, Uchiha, congratulations, Zach, and I think P. Who else won? Somebody else won from CoinWise yesterday. Yeah, they juiced up the Lions. Shout out to CoinWise. Dirty, Sophia, Curvies. Who's gonna be here for the talent show later? Yeah, exclamation talent show. Get your submissions in for next week. Season 3 begins. Let's get it. Cake shower for Geely. Let's go. Lou time. Shouts Kimba AI. Shouts Calling Noob. Frozen Yogurt. Dayox. Nitrogen. Yopasoto. Welcome back. Let's go. Hey, all these people came over to YouTube and dropped one like. Come on now. Come on now. I know. Market open candle. You get some predictions? There you go. You have to remind me to award the points. All right, ES pushing up towards the highs again. You know, hold that low after the little clean. Oh, baby clean. Yeah, you just can't mess with earnings, can you? And then hold that low like Pixel. You can't make it up. Nice. Yep, things looking pretty good over there on the boomer markets. And then we got this little high right here, internal high I was talking about. Baby sweep for ants. I don't think liquidity's grabbed yet. I think we're still looking at this level. Somewhere up here. Somewhere up there. Yeah. If it's not going to just keep running. Got a lot going on up there. Weekly VWAP, make a point of control a little bit higher. Structure. Yeah, and higher time frame. Higher time frame, that looks like a bearish retest. We're gonna bearish retest the bearish retest. Oh, no. That high is no good still. That's no good still. And I suppose we will have a bit of a gap. Yeah, it'll gap up a little bit, I think. NES is certainly going to have a gap up. Fredward, good morning. Sandoka, I'm Sin. Shout out to PSG. Mark. Shout out to mine. Alright, let's get over to KIMBA'S and check out our levels. Every setback we flipped and healed that. Vision locked in, never let it peel back. Not an outlier, live where the real at. We the outliers, can't stop the flame. 10 toes down, Kimba run the game. 10,000 hours, not always the same. From the grind to the glory, they gon' know the name. Alright, let's get our levels in. Possible rotation in play. I mean, it's looking like previous day value area low, pixel perfect, retest. Month's end, PCE, GDP. Yeah, let's say preliminary GDP or something, isn't it? Yeah, month, advanced GDP, yeah. And that came in cold. PCE right at forecast. Exclamation Forex Factory. I think you just do forexfactory.com. Shout out to Bud Fox. Let's go. Hey, did you connect your KIMBA'S yet? Did you get juiced up on it? Let's go, Bud Fox. Roo raw roo. Fredward, how we doing? You ready for Warsh? You think you'll be sitting by the next meeting? I think so. Unemployment came out good. Yeah. Yeah, it came in real good. That's the best one that they've had for a while. Employment cost index up, though. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, we'll have some pretty interesting data coming up in the next month or so. Oh, I think that he wanted to go a long time ago, brother, but he's I think he's doing what he feels is like really the right thing to do. Yeah, that's very commendable. He's ready to get the hell out. He's rich. He's done his job. He's done a great job, I think. You know, considering what he's had to face. And, you know, dude, I'm not trying to be fucking working like that when I'm stressing out about stuff. He's rich, bitch. Come on. He's trying to enjoy retirement and go on a sailboat or something and play some golf. Yeah, US has been a shit show. For real. So you can't place blame on him. He's like, yeah. Focacino. He's my dad's golf buddy, so you know I gotta stand up for the dude. Yeah, they drink warm milk together. Shout out to the OGs that get that reference. Let's go, Focacino. Crypto Jammies, good morning. How we doing? How we doing? Hey, Crypto Jammies, they got a surf park here. Did you know that? Yeah, you would love it. It's right where the dome used to be. You remember that? Abu Balala. Okay. Alright, I said I was getting the levels up. I'm so ADD. Daily levels. Shout out to CoinWise. Previous day value area high 77, pretty much 100. Previous day point of control 75, 925. Ooh. Really? We get precise with it. Yeah, holding that. And then value area low. 75, 399. Shout out to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. Super juice coming. I think next week is going to be huge, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. This is what I'm hearing. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That can't be. Did I not save it? Oh my gosh. Y'all should have called me out on that. Value area low. Come on now. Uh-oh. Hey, you need to get inside there and hold. So that's even more confluence for this to be resistance. Ben Gravy came? I didn't know that. That's cool. Dude, I used to be a hater of Ben Gravy. I think it's like pretty cool that he was able to do what he did. I thought he was like, you know, a dork. But I got respect for it, man. I got respect for it. And his surfing got a lot better. All the surfing that he did, and overcoming that injury that he had back then. Yeah. I don't know the dude. I've never met him. But shout out to Ben Gravy. Pretty cool. Yeah, he does some funny stuff, man, like going and surfing all these crazy waves. And by crazy, I mean novelty waves, like surfing in rivers and stuff. Shout outs to Germany. You guys got a really sick river to surf. Yeah, and so holding previous day value area low, flipping the point of control. We're looking for a rotation to value area high. We got previous week value area low up here. Maybe if we turn this PDEQ into, and that's kind of nice. That's pretty clean right there. You know, that PDEQ being resistance. But we want to flip that, maybe blank. You know, that's wishful thinking. We need ES to start pushing higher and hold. It's gonna go for those highs, I think. Not financial advice. They're still building in the vid. That's cool. Yeah, they had a couple of people come in and surf it right when it opened for just like the promotions and things. It's fun. It's fun. I've only gone a few times. I'd like to go more. I'm just so like locked in working. Maybe later this year I'll be able to go a bunch. I want to get a membership. Like some of my boys got memberships there and they're like fucking there all the time. Yeah, I got a buddy that he does commercial real estate and he's literally there every single day. He's probably spent like $30,000 going, and he has a membership. Morning, Baldicular. How we doing? Always, man. I'm here as long as they let me come in. I love to talk charts with the Lions. As long as y'all want me here, as long as the gang lets me come. I'm coming! 30 plus, it's changed a lot, dude. They put it right where the dome was. It's pretty crazy, but they built it up real nice around it. Let's go Dolcon. Let's go Adrian Rust. How we doing? Dude, I wish I could be Dolcon. Holy God. Yeah, sorry I missed y'all on Tuesday morning. That was something that I did not expect and had to do an IRL work thing. It is what it is, man. Y'all survived, right? Lions are juicing. You were exclamation prepared. Hey, you get a failed auction above there. Aldista. Kind of a double top. You had divs. On CME, that's pretty ugly. Right at like pixel perfect 80K. And yearly EQ. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw one more push. It's not looking great. We broke structure with a arguably bearish retest here. But if we start flipping levels, I could see them cleaning that at least. And that's a gap up here. It's a big old gap. This is a gap. Kachoya, we got 15 seconds. Huge gap. Yeah, if you look at an RTH, there's a gap there too. Either way. Okay, okay. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go, Ruraru. Kimba's away. Uppa Hoppa. Kimba's been away. He's been like back and forth. He's been doing live trading and chatting it up in the Discord, but not like he used to be. And yeah, it's just been kind of like that. He's been super busy with a lot of different things and doing a little traveling as well, as he has earned. You can't, without question. Look at his RTH selling. Golly, that's ugly. You can break from this. I mean, dude, it looks very controlled. Yeah, and maybe a bank. Little gap. Yeah, it'll be back at some point. I don't think it's ever going to be the way that it was with like the 12, 14-hour streams. With all the things that he's working on building right now. He's a busy, busy dude. And we always knew that he talked about it for a very long time about having to go back to the office. Oh my gosh, tiger sharks. I'm like terrified of them, man. Absolutely Uppa Hoppa. Yeah, hang out. Hang out. We're doing TA. I don't have the energy of Kimba. It's just my personality is just very different from his. But let's look at some charts. Yeah, and I mean, this is market open stream number 82 today. Yeah, Ronnie. Well, they got the YouTube highlights. They can always check that out, see what we're talking about. And you know, we try to hold it down. I think that we've been doing okay with our analysis, our reads of the market. Perps and spot, Rocket Man, a lot of Bitcoin, some altcoins, a little bit of TRADFI. Yeah, and check out the dashboard. You can see some of the exchanges that we've been using. Exclamation dashboard. You needed to pump, somebody's in along. Yeah, some of these exchanges you can trade things like S&P, gold, and it's continuous contracts. So it's pretty nice. Yeah, a lot of the Lions, a lot of the community are using these exchanges, and they have really good fee structure on them. So just check it out if you're interested in trading. What do you trade in, Rocket Man? Yeah, and come check out some of the tools and check out CoinWise. I think that they have a 14-day testnet trial. Thinking about shorting. I see you. Look at that. 14-day trial on CoinWise. They have the levels that I just showed. Daily levels. They have a journal that you can test out. They have a lot of tools that you're seeing here on the screen. Give them a shot. Yeah, these are all CoinWise tools except for the colored candles, and I just like them for the RVOL, which we have RVOL with one of the CoinWise indicators. It's just not projected onto the candles. I've been asking. I think that would be a cool thing. I think that they're working on something. But I know that they're developing some brand new indicators, and they're going to get released really soon. Yeah, earnings for sure. Picked up some Apple the other day. Yeah, and Apple earnings are today, I believe.
Just a skill.
Get my stonks tab open.
Took the long road, now I trade with grace. Edge ain't loud, edge don't brag. Edge just stacks when it's in the bag. I don't pray for a pop, I prepare for the plot. I don't leave.
Yeah, it's not juicing super hard, but I got to feel it on this.
You ever sit so still? The candle feel
on the
like
sweep.
That's edge.
Yo.
You ever wait so long? It comes right to your knees. That's edge. It's not hype, it's knowing that it's showing.
They play for the Nvidia earnings. They're coming up still. Yeah, this afternoon for Apple. You want Nvidia to 220? I think it could make it up there. You got some gaps and stuff ahead. It'll eventually go up there. It's juice. It might need to pull back all the way down to like the 204 area. that could occur. You really just want to hold the 200 though. That would be a nice fill. But I mean, look at this price structure. It's like fucking straight up for all of April. Yeah, and their earnings are always later. So is that what's going to save the market at the end of May? Yeah, Google just had theirs too. Look at that gap up. Oh. Lordy. Surprise.
Now we toast champagne, got ice where the ice isn't. Juiced up the fam, gave them more than just a slice in it. Work for the win, now I'm juicing in the right pivot. Tears in my auntie's eyes, she said, boy, you made
pretty juicy. Pretty juicy. Amazon, I think, hit it. Closing the gap now. Meta. Kachoya. Yeah, and they came in nice. Microsoft too. I wonder if Palantir is. You needed to grab the 220s. You know, it is what it is. Yeah, monthly close today. Maybe the beginning of next week is going to be nice. Whole lot less turbulence. We'll see what they do with the geopolitical news. Yeah, Microsoft. I mean, are we surprised? There's no surprise. It's a surprise to the upside. Like all of them, of course they're fucking juicing. Everything costs $1 million and the stock market's at all-time highs. Earnings for Palantir Monday. That's interesting. Okay. Where are we at? Get it. Let's look at index. Yikes, going for the gap already. Did it yesterday too. This happened yesterday. It's different this time. Picks will grab the gap and juice. Shout out to anybody that got filled on that gap fill. Yeah. Let's go Shredded Island. How we doing? Mark, I mean, once you accept this, then it becomes a lot easier. You don't have to think logically. Yeah, S&P ES is selling off and Biddy is juicing. What are you going to say about that? I think we got strategy earnings next week too. I think it's the 4th as well. Maybe the 5th. Look at that gap fill and Biddy juicing. What are you going to say about that? Skit Moha. That's sick, Crypto Jammies. They got a huge half pipe there now. A nice one. They got a skate park. 76.4, so thick. Is that where you got filled? Yeah, if you can hear anything in the background. 5th for Sailor. Shout out to Rocket Man. Almost got our gap fill on index. Pretty much if you're looking at daily gaps. Yeah, it's a F something, Adrian Rust. You could hear it? Yeah, they got a base over here. You can live in a fucking $20 million house and they fly like right overhead. It just sucks. Crypto Jammies knows. Drilling the oil. Yeah. Let's go with the all-time high song. It's been a minute. Really, Adrian? Where are you at, Adrian? Yeah, it sucks. It like can be like the nicest day and it'll like fucking fly an air show over my head. That's cool to see it for like 5 minutes and then it's over. It's done. That's, dude, I bet you that's super fun to be a pilot. That's sick. That is sick. Alright, we get our 5-minute candle. The market open, pay out those points. Let's go. Shout out to the Bulls. Holding VWAP really cleanly here. Flipping point of control. Daily. Holding VWAP, holding previous day point of control. Pretty much since London Open. There we go. Need good acceptance in here. Is it going to rotate completely all the way up to 77.1? Yeah, I'm sure they are. That's sick. Yeah, Windsor Woods, that's still there. We sold a couple houses over there. Yeah, the city's changed a lot though, man. As everywhere has in that amount of time. Did you go to high school here? Let's go Res QQ. Sophia's TP1 is Moon, TP2 Mars, TP3 Uranus. Let's go Sophia. Nothing like, nothing disrespectful with that. It would have been funnier if it was Fredward, but yeah, not trying to be disrespectful with it. It's just, you know, you're talking planets, you gotta say Uranus. Rest in peace, Pluto. Let's go, Fred. That's a Coke Zero. I know he got filled on this yesterday. Lordy. Juice. Who was surprised by holding that low? Insane. Jesus. It's so nice outside. I got my Yeah, TP3 Uranus. So nice outside. I want my window open. These fuckers keep flying over. Don't they know we got market open with Mandalo this morning? How many plans? Skip Moha. We're going for everything. We're going for everything. Yeah, we want to get inside value. It's kind of like lined up with weekly VWAP. Weekly VWAP's a lot more valid now. That's previous week VWAP right there. So complete the rotation, maybe it deviates. I think that if we make it up inside value, get some closes, we're probably going to go for this high. At least this high, that's bad. Doesn't matter if this low is bad, we've changed structure now. We got a higher high. So higher lows, higher highs so far. Got to tuck back down, make a lower low if we want anything lower. If this tucks back in, not looking as good. So let's wait for this close, wait for the confirmation. Let's go Shorted Island. That's a good entry. Did you get filled more on this pullback, or you got filled over here? Let's go, I'm Sin. That's a pretty dope hashtag. Kimba is flying in on the PJ. The cool thing is we got a heliport like right up the street. Not in my yard, unfortunately. But I'm down bad. This is the bear market, remember. End of month Vala. Probably get a little bit. Most people's beds are made already, or they rolled over. Easier to move it. You went to high school in Oahu. That's cool. Is that West Side? You were talking about surfing the West Side. Eyes on that. Eyes on ES. Look at that gap fill. Pixel gap fill. That's the TP. The TP for the market open traders. Pretty juicy. CNQ. Lordy. Is that the highs? Gapped up above all-time highs and then fucking come and close the gap. Hold settlement, remains bullish. Nice. Let's just see the real boomer market. Probably get that high. Everywhere else has. It might take all the earnings to come in before, but that's probably coming. Big D energy. Let's see Dixie. Ugh. I'm gonna be back here. Lordy, McDonald's, come on now. McDonald's is gonna send us all back to McDonald's. Goddamn. Ugh. It's actually kind of getting into an interesting area. this is like dog shit, but if it holds or cleans that 220 area, that might be interesting. That's a gigantic gap. That's what he said. Ooh-wee. Juice. God damn. That's nice. That's a good life, man. That's a good life, Crypto Jammies. Let's go, Adrian. Yeah, I see you, Fred. I know, man. Paper hands. Yeah, you remember this happened last spring too, though. We rebounded a lot quicker this spring. Kimba gang forever. Princess Anne. I went to Princess Anne Middle School, but that was out like near Pungo. Princess Anne High School was in a different area. Dolkong, you want to see ETH? Dolkong is trading some ETH. We'll look at some shit coins. Kind of just catching up on everything. We didn't really chart too much yesterday. That was a good time though. Shout outs to CoinWise. Shout outs to Cajun Husey for joining. Shout outs to JP. Shout outs to No Road Cuts, but we're still blazing. I mean, it actually looks like less interest in it than Biddy. We got some options tonight or in the morning. Pulling up the options. Yeah, it's not monthlies or anything. It's not a whole lot going on. It's not even $1 billion. Oh no, it's almost $2 billion in Biddy. And for F, max paying 23.25. Yeah, I think they're gonna park it between 22.50 and that max pain. I don't think it's gonna juice unless Biddy really has a big push. Yeah, I think they're gonna hold it under a previous week point of control, but that's just speculation. And for Biddy, it looks like they'll probably hold 75. $75, $76. Hey, but guess what? I seen a preview. There is some juice coming from CoinWise. Just you wait. Just you wait. I think next week is going to be exciting. GEX flip today is 76,432 on Biddy. Yeah, the lows aren't that bad. Not that bad. Yeah, until you get down below 2,200. It's not looking great with all this value up here. So for higher and to clean these abysmal highs, I'm gonna go from up here. Ugh, I'm fucking 10 rows on this thing.
juice wave, let the mat save, let that data play. Kimba no delay, hitting with that beat. Data, no hype, just clarity.
Yeah, we're just trading right outside value.
Choose deep like prophecy.
High time frame.
It's all about that beat.
You need to get back inside all of these levels right here, and you have like that whole range.
That's Kimba divinity.
That's a couple of weeks up here. Flip this. Those highs are looking a lot better. So 2280, 2290. Just don't like reject. Are you already in something, Dolkong?
Woke up to the charts.
Yeah, let's go Kurtak.
Didn't check the time, just
Yeah, I know Bob Hovey.
volume peaking right beneath.
I used to surf with him a lot.
Missed the sweep last night. Jumped the gun and moved without the wick. Didn't wait for structure, now I'm sick. Messy.
Farmers in the country in Georgia. That sounds like a nice life. I was talking to my dad about that.
Still I track each candle till it's closed. I said, ooh.
I had a fox bite one of my chickens 2 days ago and it didn't make it. So I had to dig another grave this morning. Fuckers. That's dope. That's cool, Crypto. Jammies. I like the song. Yeah, you got a big thing around 80K.
Dawn about to break. Asia closing out, I clear my view.
BTCC looking not that great.
Patience. Used to chase on tilt. Now I scale
Soul.
it back and let it breathe.
We talked about this 81, 82 area.
The sleeve, blatant. Dead zones I just wade through.
God, this is like fucking nobody wants it.
No impulse, no need to latch the
With bad lows. Highs aren't good either, but it's not showing any strength and decreasing volume. I guess it's like not as bad. If it's got like increasing volume on the cells. Yeah, they're holding it. Maybe it cleans. This is bad right here. Maybe it cleans that. Even like a little sweep down here in 75.
every move reflects control.
I know, it looks like a postage stamp.
Let the structure take its hold.
So like here. And that's value still. Interesting.
I
Yeah, like barely holding value, rejecting a point of control.
blinded by the TPs. Each move I take is part of the design.
We're gonna get these two little guys out of there. Yeah, rejecting from point of control and anchor VWAP. Not the best look. Flip that 86 though, and it's looking better. Bad highs to target. Yeah, maybe a sweep here and tucking back in with some confluence will look a little better. Maybe a clean of this. That might be pretty nice. Unless Bitcoin's selling off super hard, and then, you know, it's a different story. Yeah, I don't even really want to look at any other altcoins. We are a few seconds. Oh, we just hit our first 30-minute close. Let's see what happened on this potential sweep. Yep. Cut back in. This is the confirmation candle now. Thinking where to add? Okay. All right, Dolkong, I see you. Thinking on where to add? Maybe a clean of the daily open and tucking back in. So like 2250 area. But if we get like a hard rejection in ES or in BITY, I think this low might get tested. Otherwise, I will wait for like, if everything starts juicing, a push upward and a retest of this value. That's like kind of the two plans for ETH that I would be thinking about, and it's looking better right now. Yeah, I'd like to see, so those highs are bad locally, and then through here, that's not great. That's not too, it's like not good. But again, we're below value, so you kind of want to break back and get some closes. It would be ideal if you got like the 12 p.m. New York close up here, and then a pullback is like, it's looking a lot more like a wick in higher time frame structure. There you go, that's why you wait for confirmation. Yeah, usually if BITY holds, when S&P sells off, when S&P bounces, it's not like an inverse correlation. It tends to help BITY. So they were like, not convinced by S&P's price action. I thought I drew a channel on this. It's trying to break from this. We got a single print here too in RTH. I'm gonna adjust this. I don't even have to draw anything because you got a single print above. Yeah, maybe like even get rejected by the single print again. Maybe go for it. Yeah, I had drawn this box for structure. I kind of like that. But that's like a quick push and fail. If we just get like a grind up, I think all that's coming and probably the highs. If then, all these scenarios, but it's hopefully giving you guys something to ruminate on and maybe give you a type of plan to formulate or some ideas for your plans. What app? Yeah, there is a correlation between them. There is, like, we even looked at it briefly, even though I didn't mention it, but there is a correlation between BTC and ETH. Just Bitcoin is Big Daddy, and the price action, like when I first started, I was like trading ETH more, and I was like, why the fuck is ETH doing the same thing as Bitcoin? But Bitcoin is the big dog, and then crypto in general is like the little shithead cousin of traditional markets, and so it'll follow when markets are open. A lot of times it has a tendency to follow some of the movements of traditional markets. We like to watch S&P because intraday there's the highest volume transacted. So this is Bitcoin ETH, or ETH Bitcoin, rather. So we kind of like watch it like that. There are futures to trade in it, but it's, not that many people do. What app? I mean, this is TradingView. You're talking about like what exchange? We got a whole list of like 10, 11 exchanges. I'm on, I think, 8 or 9 of them, trading with them, and then Coinbase. Oh yeah, and Kraken. Yeah, it's not like all fucking intraday scalps on each one of these exchanges. I'll bounce around for active positions, and sometimes I'll just hold a position in one of them if I get a good juicy fill. Yeah, and then spot.
the chat, celebrating on occasion. Kimba math running, risk on calculation. Profits in the system, breakout activation. If you want the breakout, gotta ride with the stream. Data in my charts, only chase what I mean. Let them disappear, poof, haters off the screen. Juice running heavy, bull flag in the scene. Ay,
Rocket Man, where are you trading? Yeah, Rocket Man. That's where I started, was Coinbase, and then Kraken. Yeah, and then I learned about perps. Yeah. That might have been the bottom. I'm not 100% convinced. I think we need to reclaim 85 for me to be certain that that was the bottom. I mean, definitely was the bottom for a couple months. But we talked about the level, looking at the 60s, the mid to low 60s, long before we went there. Long before. Yeah, we planned for it. A lot of lines got filled down there and then didn't just like buy it because it was cheap. Yeah, I don't like trading things like that, Rocket Man. Shout out to MEXC. Good morning, brother. How you doing? Thank you. Making it rain. Get your umbrellas out. Drop in some subs on the chat. Hey, if you just juiced up on a sub from MEXC, make sure you thank the man. He's working hard, grinding, and sharing the love. Big cheers. Yeah, thank you, brother. You've been playing around with those templates? I didn't, Rocket Man. I didn't. Oh, let's go. Let's go, MEXC.
I was built for the data, no joke. Let them copy, but they'll never catch the flow. I'm on a level they ain't never gonna know. Breathe.
Breathe.
Marcus tense, let them breathe. You need to chill, you need to breathe. If you
Last week.
gotta risk, gotta breathe. Paper stack up, not a whole gang breathe. FOMC, power all lines on the screen. Rate cut dreams, got a juice with the team. Tear riffs on the tape, I just let it all swing.
On Avis? It's pretty funny. It juiced the fuck up, didn't it? Holy shit. Yeah, it looks like a shit coin now. Like, god damn. Alright. That's worthy of drawing up. What in the fuck happened? Let's go, Rocket Man. This is a 30-minute chart, y'all. I've been locked in doing other shit, and I miss some of like these some of these moves. What in the fuck on this daily chart? I love this song. Let's go, happy 420. Hey, MEXC. I hope that it's juice for you. I know, dude. This is a goddamn Burj Khalifa if I've ever seen one. This is one of the worst ones I've ever seen. Honestly. This is bad. That's hilarious. I mean, dude, there'll be more. Dude, this is like more than Everest. This is the fucking worst. Holy shit, what can you even call this thing? Jesus. Right back to value. And it accepted inside. I mean, mostly. We'll go from this break. You can't even fit it all in the chart, for fuck's sake. You gotta go log for like the fucking 30-minute chart on this thing. Yeah, we'll just go after everybody got flushed out. Like, oh yeah, it's going up, it's going up. Fuck, Kachoya. Lost like 40%. Yeah, but let's go from there to where it began to break. Yeah, what was that all about? Oh my god, that's fucking too clean. Look at that. Where's value area high? I clicked it. Oh, it's all the way at the top. Wait, what? Oh, it's projected forward. Am I doing that? Yeah, pixel. Pixel. And then back outside value area. So I mean, it's not that bad, but it's in this little range too. If you went from, I'll include it all. Kind of where the run started. It's the same thing. Same thing, value area moved up a little bit, but I don't like doing that. I think that it's better over here. Right after the first sell-off. Holding it. It's subjective. Let's go MEXC 83. It is worse than a shitcoin Dokong. Holy shit. It looks like the shitcoin's like yearly chart or something during a bull market. I can't look at this anymore. Yeah. You know, if you don't feel like, or if you feel like you missed out on this, like you did. But at least you didn't buy up here. I need a fucking mountain I need like hiking boots and like a fucking pick and shit to climb this fucker just to get to the top of the chart anyways. That was just so we could see it at the bottom. God damn. Yeah, at least you didn't buy it up here or up here. Holy shit, people got wrecked. Short squeeze, long squeeze. God damn. No support build on the way up at all. Hilarious. People kept shorting. It was too high. It's too high. It's gotta go. It's gotta go down. And they just get fucking run over. Yeah, be careful when you see these pumps like that. You wait for structure change. Unless you're really, really tight with your risk management. Dude, it is. Like, my finger got tired trying to scroll up there. Rocket Man. BCX, no. Dude, you're like in tune with all of these. You need to like get into the Discord and come. Yeah, that one's bad too, but that was just like an IPO, right? Holy shit. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, that's pretty normal. That's pretty normal. Yeah, you should get in the Discord. Share lockup till September. Yeah. Yeah, you should get in the Discord and chat it up with the TRADFI talk. Yeah, I'm sure they would love to see some of the things that you had to say. Exclamation Discord, I mean, dude, it's free. It's a cool community. You can talk about these things. Like, they'll know more about it than I do. I'm just charting it. I'm very much a technicals trader. I don't keep up with the news nearly as much as I used to. That's juicy. Let's go, Chab. Yeah, VCX is a funny one too, y'all. I'm not gonna pull it up, but like it was an IPO. I want to see what's going on here. Hilarious. Hola, hola. Let's go, Chauncey. How we doing? Walter, you shorted at 505. Let's go. You juicing. Sky AI USDT. Okay. Let's go skip Moha. Skip Moha, you used to be into like all these shit coins, didn't you? Sky AI. Yeah, that's how I feel about my Sui. Sui side. Oh, it's terrible. Yeah, Deox. No, not at all. Not at all. It's not a great one right now, though. Altcoins in general are not the best. Yeah, Sky is still juicing. There's Skip Moha. You in that thing? This is like an old sheep chart. How about that flush on 420? They said everybody's baked. Uh-oh. Coming for these lows, maybe? Uh-oh. Initial balance, too. Dragging us down. S&P, help me. I don't really want to look at Sky AI, but it's pretty funny, this one point that I had to make. Where am I going to look at it on? Shout out to WEEX. Wait, what? Maybe not shout out to WEEX. What happened there? Let's see KCEX. Okay. I pulled it in the daily. There's another one. I was talking about this on 420. Just like flush everybody out, clean that low right there, and then tuck right back into value. That's funny. Some people got filled, some people got wrecked, and then holding that whole consolidation right here, this whole order block. We got order blocks on here.
Just charts, lettuce and my juice, stacking profits to the sky. Just charts, lettuce and my juice, feeling good, the stars align. Just charts, lettuce.
I think I just put it on here and I didn't even configure it. Let's look at it in the 4 hour.
Every trade's a vision, the numbers never lie. Focus on my hustle, I'm soaring through the sky. The grind is never ending, but I don't feel the strain.
It's a hot mess right now.
Success is in my lane. Just charts, lettuce and my juice. We can make it if we try. Just charts, lettuce and my juice, stacking profits to the sky. Just charts, lettuce and my juice, feeling good, the stars align. Just charts, lettuce and my juice, yeah, the world is mine.
Let's go, VTR. Good morning. Yeah, we charted them a little bit ago. They'll probably bounce. Anyone trading oil? Yeah, a lot of us.
You see, the world moves slow, but not us. We're ahead of the game. Lettuce, juice.
A lot of us. Switch over to the TRADFI. TRADFI chart. Yeah, look at that. Bounce again. Barely swept this little internal low for ants. Here we go, sell off and bounce.
Just charts, lettuce and my juice. We can make it if we try. Just charts, lettuce and my juice, stacking profits to the sky. Just charts, lettuce and my juice, feeling good, the stars align. Just charts, lettuce and my juice, yeah, the world is mine.
Oh. Gap fill. Gap fill. Is that what you got filled on? hold the monthly open though. Even if it sells off, like that 100, psychological. Yeah, we looked at gold, it wasn't looking great either. Let's go skip Moha. Did I close my stonks? That is not that bad. Microsoft is. Shout out to Microsoft. It definitely lost value. Needs to get back up here in the 400 range. 415.
In the morning glow, the candles flicker softly, profits start to grow. The rhythm of the market keeps me in control. With lettuce on the rise, I'm reaching my goal.
Yeah, maybe it gets a couple of gaps. Maybe it just taps this first gap at 400. Stacking profits to the sky. Just charts, lettuce and my juice. Long since 82. Let's go, Baldicular. That's a juicy one. Let's see that. Dude, that was a good target too. That's a good target to shave. Charts, lettuce, and my juice. Success is in my lane. Just charts, lettuce, and my juice. We can make it if we try. Just charts, lettuce, and my juice. Stacking profits to the sky. Just charts, lettuce, and my juice. Feeling good, the stars align. Just charts. Charts. Me and my juice. We're locked in. I see the charts rise in the morning sun. Let's get hyped up. I feel useless line. Records. That's a nice fill, Baldicular. You got filled last week? Yeah, it is at the top of the range. Maybe shave a little bit, like trail who stops a little. If it starts to accept back down in this value below monthly open. Yeah, this doesn't even have volume on it. It's TBC. Look at this one. Yeah, if it starts getting back inside daily open, it's a whole lot of levels right there. That's kind of a substantial pullback. That's like 5%. I don't know about all that. This daily chart. That's not looking great. Losing this with that low, I'd say it needs to hold this single print. And we're reclaiming P to EQ, so you might be okay. That high's not the greatest. Got naked pointing controls above. Yeah. Couple minutes left on the initial balance. I don't know if I'm even going to be able to make it until the end of the hour. I got some whole lot of things going on right now. I mean, same with Gates. Shit. It could. It depends on the news, to me. Baldicular, I don't know. Yeah, absolutely. Baldicular. It depends on news. It's very, very sensitive to it. Sorry, I missed your question, Kagam. That's juice. Yeah, trade a fuck ton and you lock that VIP 8 in. Let's go, Alram. Happy Thursday, Endolion. Let's go, Crispy. Yeah, I think oil, it's so dependent on the news. It's so sensitive to it that if you're trading it daily, trade it like anything else. So like intraday, and if you're looking for like swing positions, then just like mark your levels and just be prepared. Need new windows? Yeah. I don't know. Mine, one of my devices went obsolete, and I'm like, fuck. But I'm not a big fan of Microsoft. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of any of them. It's a tool. I don't really care as long as it lets me do the things that I need to. I'm not much of a believer in anything. I'm in it for the tech. If you know, you know. If you've been here for a while with me, you know how I feel about all that. I believe in the tech. I just am not a believer in a lot of things. I don't have strong feelings about much. Hey, let's go, Rocket Man. I'm not here to shake Zuck's hand. Dude, how about that line that we drew yesterday? Pixel breakout right off of the open, and then like basically came back to retest it and hold it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't get starstruck. I don't give a fuck. I don't care if you're Elon or like anybody. I met plenty of famous people, hung out with plenty back in the day. I don't give a shit. They're just people. And most people have skeletons, like, and many of them have skeletons that you would not like. Let's go skip Moha. Probably 77, dude. We're like right there. And it's holding. And it's holding. Yeah, I think we got a little bit of liquidity above still. We got quite a bit on this first like little push, but there's like another peak, like 76.8 on perps. Kind of tippity tap some licks up here also, but 76.8 is looking like the highest liquidation area locally. And there is more to the upside than there is to the downside currently. Plus with monthly close, you're gonna have like the antics go on, the shenanigans. 76K for the daily close. Let's see this in the daily structure. When the fuck was I charting Tron? That was like 2 weeks ago. So you just want a green day, huh?
It's time to juice.
I think 76-100 will look better
This one for the
on the daily.
stream it Domo, we running it up.
I still think that like
Use the lines records, you know what it is.
that's a more important daily close to hit. Like 77.3. That I feel like if we get a close there, we'll at least get those highs.
Don't bring fake advice unless you practice what you spout. Funny how they loud online, but go quiet when it's live. Money might buy watches, but it won't buy you this drive. I ain't here for the handshakes, I'm here for the scoreboard.
For structure.
Clean, that's precision you can't forge. 2 setups in the pocket, third one in the chamber. Family eat first, that's the only real wager. Mic on, lights up,
Holding value.
roaring. Just that when the
Basically around that point of control as well. 76.4 or 77.4 maybe. Yeah, wants to rotate through. But we need to get inside that value area and hold it. Previous week value area low so far is resistance. PDEQ, I mean we broke it. Maybe we pull back and like hold this like we were kind of planning for. It's holding current POC. Yeah, once market closes too, every single day we've been getting you know, like Sydney, Asia, a lot of these moves are happening during that session. You know, like selling off into the close or something and then fucking retracing all through the night. All of these particular over here. Coinwise open interest, it's all OI. So it's aggregate for whatever TradingView has access to. Longs and shorts, buy sell volume with delta in the middle in white. Buy sell volume, this is, and it's all Coinwise indicators, but this is relative volume, CVD, and RSI. And I know that Coinwise is working on an aggregate CVD and some other juicy ones, so I might be like refreshing this before too long. And I know that this is Coinbase. Oh, I didn't want it in the 4 hour. I know this is a Coinbase chart, but it's pulling the aggregate longs and shorts too. Yeah, and you can feed in different sources for a lot of these things. I am not smart enough to do all that, but it's possible to do quite a bit more than what you're seeing with the Coinwise divergences indicators down here. And also with like the longs and shorts, and I think with the OI. Yeah, OI you can even like, it shows you like the delta. That's kind of cool. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's definitely more that can be done with it. It's pretty juicy. Yeah, aggregate CVD would be sick. Let's go, Damon. Shout out PSG. How we doing, Damon? Price up, volume down. Yeah, I mean that volume. Let's see in the 15-minute. Yeah, that was a pretty juicy. Baby, you gotta put your thing on. here,
Never
put this
turn
thing
my
on because
back
of TV.
on the
Okay.
pride, God forbid. Juice
Can
in
you
the
pull it up?
charts doing front flips. Minting out collections, don't hit us with no
I'll be
dumb
right
shit.
back.
NFT drop, they found. Woo. Kimber gang live on Magic D down. Woo. Floor set tight, juice season. Woo. Did the reps, now the profits got a reason. Woo. Let us roll up, Bugatti funds. Woo. We was in the jungle taking swings at the sun. Woo. Did it for once, now the lions all eat. Woo. First drop live in the fam on repeat. Woo. Racks on the chain, I call it Serena. I go tremendo, fermenting the schema. All facto, clarity, rare traits. All facto, juice flood the gateways. I'm in the loop with the crew, I'm in the loop with the juice. Which one are you working? We put your flip on the news. NFT mint day, pride on the hunt. If you ain't got patience, then you can't front. Cost me some hours, but man, it's worth it. Wise Lion Flex, we do this on purpose.
Yeah. 10,000 hours in, look where we at now. From the bottom to the charts, that's the map now. Kimber gang in the building, whole crowd stand proud. Subathon lit, let's get loud. Every late night, early morning, man, I paid that toll. Practiced on the desk, got my heart and soul. They was doubting every step, now they can't control. How a lion from the jungle took the crown and gold. This ain't luck, it's design, it's the hours I bled. Wrist tight, stop set, always 2 steps ahead. When the market turn tricky, that's when I'm well fed. Cause I train for the storm, let the rest lose their head. We the outlaws, can't stop the flame. 10 toes down, Kimber run the game. 10,000 hours, now the win's insane. From the grind to the glory, they gon' know the name. We the outlaws, can't stop the flame. 10 toes down, Kimber run the game. 10,000 hours, now the win's insane. From the grind to the glory, they gon' know the name. Subathon live, blessings on repeat. Giveaways dropping like heat after heat. OGs in the chat, whole fam in the seat. New juice on the way, everybody gon' eat. We ain't here for the quick shine, here for the stay. Played our own road, took the long way. From the jungle to the charts, every move well played. Now the scoreboard flash with the Kimber name. If you see us winning, just know we built that. Every setback we flipped and healed that. Vision locked in, never let it peel back. Now the outliers live where the real
Back.
we the outliers,
Sorry about that.
can't stop the flame.
Uh-oh.
Down, Kimber run the game. 10,000 hours, now the win's insane. From the grind to the glory, they gon' know the name.
Let's go, Curvies. Let's go, Calling Noob.
Flame. 10 toes down, Kimber run the game.
Working all day, sleeping all night. That's not bad. That's a good way to live.
They gon' know the name.
That's a good way to live, Damon. I'm not mad at that.
Useless Lines Records.
Yeah. Juice Nation. Yeah.
Kimber gang.
Yeah. Make it say no limit. Got that test net.
Baby Mandalo is still working on potty training.
Giving out them entries, no limit.
US Oil trying to fill the gap.
So you roll with a line like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say no limit. Juice it all day, no limit, baby. Run it up, big alpha, no limit.
Yeah, it's a big gap.
Like me, there's no limit, baby. You know you prime. Kimber gang, you know that you
Need to hold that.
I'm just trying to see you shine.
Need to hold that.
Yeah, I'm trying to see you shine. Bag running up in real time. We got a trade, we got a way. You should ride on it. All the levels I can hit, you know it's limitless. So if you never been, Kimber gang gon' take you there. Don't have to stress about a thing. We got it, let me show you, yeah. 'Cause I'm
Go to worst song in the playlist. Yeah, that might be like one of the last songs that I played. Chiga, how we doing? It got absorbed, Chiga. Yeah, they were protecting. Somebody absorbed it. But a lot of things didn't sweep. Yeah, you see that. You see that when we got strength. Saving it for later. early in the month. Could be next week. Could be a lot later. Yeah, but you know, change structure and things are better. We haven't changed structure really substantially on CME yet, but outside of RTH, it's not as bad. Let's go, Chiga. Yeah, I feel you. I was looking for it too. Okay, let me find this playlist. What's Go to Work? Holy shit, dude. There's 300 songs on this playlist.
Celebrate wins, we wildin'. Risking for the juice, chase that P&L rise. Ain't no limit, baby. Yeah.
At least it's alphabetized. Nice. Shout out to Housty. I found it. Let's go, Chiga. Abubulito.
In the night when we lions, yeah we lurk. In the day and you broke, go to work. Let us go to work, go to work. Let us go to work, go to work. Cause you broke. Go to work. Yeah, yeah. Go to work.
Come on, Forgiven.
Yeah, yeah. I need Bugatti money. Trim that doubt, clip off all that funny. Go ahead, be a meme, then forget about you. Kimba gang roar, need proof, grab a voucher. Swerve, swerve, yeah, we get up out here. Swerve, swerve, I lift the Lambo out of here. Go ahead, bust your head, go ahead. Clear your deck, go ahead. Flash your letters, spark that shit, go ahead. Jack the drip, go ahead. Steal my jeans, go ahead. Call your shot, ha. We on the scene. Ha. We got this lettuce, yeah. Ha. Juice on the team. Ha. Ha. Stack that bread, yeah. They can't flex like we. Swipe your stash with a lion heart. Slide from mission control. Let the ticker spark. Yeah, fuck up the charts. Make the market arch. Trade despair for blue and gold. Pride in every heart. Stuff and
Any last minute stuff that anybody wants to see? I'm gonna wind it down. After this, I'm gonna queue up the outro. Yep. Monthly close tonight.
Trades hot with the juice. Chart shook 'em. All of my lines stay focused. Bag excuses for looking. Told fear pack, we shook it. Stand over doubt, that trade, we took it.
Closing back inside here is better. It'd be nice to get a close back up here. Really nice to get a close up here if you're bullish. But we'll take what we can get. We'll take what we can get. So we'll have a lot to talk about next week. Exclamation Challenge Show. Shout out to Kimba Gang always. Yep, don't forget about the talent show later on today. Exclamation Talent Show coming up in a little while. And make sure that you get your submissions in. You got an opportunity to juice up. Ask Maestro, ask Henry, ask anybody that's competed in it. You get your songs played on stream. You have a chance to make some money, vibe out, show off your talents. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. It's cool to just view it. even if you're not involved, but like it's extra juicy to get involved in it. Yeah, give it a shot.
We hope you've had a great day.
Yeah, but stop on by this afternoon. Hey, Fredward, have a great afternoon. I'll see you next week, brother. Maybe I'll see you in the PSG. Exclamation Discord. Shout outs to PSG. Let's go. Shout outs to Ubit and the dashboard. Exclamation dashboard for the entire schedule of streams upcoming.
We called the moves, we stayed aligned. With every step,
Maybe a hoot.
stars combined.
Oh no. No hoot juicing tomorrow. Oh, Kachoya.
Guessing games, no reckless turns.
We got Cinco de Mayo. May the 4th be with you. We're gonna miss that one together, but we got Cinco de Mayo together, so that's juice. I gotta get some tacos to celebrate the American Mexican holiday. Taco Tuesday at least. Let's go Gaboo. Skip Moha, Burgix, happy 420. Have a great day, brother. Have a great day, Baldicular, Ruraru, all of you. Curvies, much love. Shout outs to PSG. Shout outs to CoinWise. Juicing us up yesterday. More juice to come. Oh my God. I think next week is going to be juicy. That's what everybody keeps telling me. Get ready. Get your helmets on, spacesuits, diapers.
The truth is told.
May 1st, tomorrow. Let's get it. Yeah, it's kind of wonky having it on the Friday. It's all right though. Next week is gonna be juice. The nasty OKX iPads. I know. I see you. I know. They're leaving us hanging. Let's go Nitrogen, Cake Shower, Mark, Latisse, Kimba AI, Crispy, Riraru, Happy, Calling Noob, Skit Moha, Fredward. Shouts to the team. Thanks for a great week. Yesterday was fun. Today was juicy. Drop Dead Betty, Inky, Sophia, Forgiven, Fib Math. Much love, gang. Have a great weekend, everybody. If you don't use the stop loss, I have to go and slap the shit out ya. Crispy. PSG. Hey, check out CoinWise. Hey, shout out to Rocket Man. Thanks for joining. Come again soon. Yeah, every Tuesday, Thursday, I'll be here. I'm happy to look at any of the TRADFI tickers that you want. Yeah, sometimes it's just cool to bounce ideas off of each other. You clearly have a inside track on some different ones than what we typically look at. It's always cool to get different people's takes on things. Not Super Serial, MJ, Bud Fox. Hey, juice up on that CoinWise. Indolion, have a great day. Inky, Sammy. You know what? That motherfucker. You know, he doesn't want to like. He doesn't want to show his hand too much. They used to be in like Bybit all the time. This shit's funny, dude. Hey, Sammy, have a great day. Shazaman. I said inky, not kinky. Kinky deranged. Let's go. Much love. Much love. Hey, have a great one. See y'all in the talent show later. Juice up. Juice up. Check out the Discord. Check out the CoinWise. And be prepared. Just be prepared. Let's fucking go. Dayox. Kiki deranged. Let's go. I said Sata's gonna slap the shit at you. If you're into that type of thing. Cat on the iPads, like I've had baby Mandalo do some things on on me before. Get joya. Let's go Orban. Let's go Curvies. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed weekend. Touch grass. Juice up. Even if the grass is just Latuche, enjoy it. Remind yourself what you're here for. You're here to click buttons. All right, Orban. Much love. Have a great day, man. All right, Inky. All right, catch y'all soon. Cheers! Bugatti! It's gonna be testnet. All right, peace out, y'all. Much love.
This Mandalo.
Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Queen White, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. These kids when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coin Wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off of the Lions is wedding. Coin wise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coin Wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them.